declare this institution open.
Today we are here, we want to educate the society concerning mental health disorders, and we want to say that statistics say that if we have 4 people, 1 of them will be having a mental illness. Mental illness is like any other disease. When you see the signs of mental illness, these people should be brought to us so that they can be treated. We want to get away with that notion that mental illness tunasema ni urogi, like it is witchcraft. It is not witchcraft. It is a disease of the brain and it can be treated. Teenagers, ukisikia watoto washaanza kukutishia maisha, so just run to us. We will be able to give you the right services. And gambling and drug addiction, those are the issues that we also help the society so that we can help each other to endelee.
We are here to launch the new Mental and Rehabilitation Center. As we open the gates of this new Mental and Rehabilitation Center, the doors of this Rehabilitation Center, we are here to tell the community that addiction is a disease, mental health is a disease like any other disease out there, and it is treatable, it is manageable. With this new Mental and Rehabilitation Center, we are going to help a lot of people. We are opening the gates to our community. You can bring in your patient here and they will get the care they deserve. Patient might present with both mental illness and addiction, so we don't need to refer a patient to another facility. So we are offering all that here, and all the insurances cover for mental health problem. For addiction is just SHA and MKR for the police. Current facility can accommodate 35 patients.
Mental health institution, I think this is the only one in the region. So for us, what we want to do is to initiate and trigger and enforce a paradigm shift in terms of mental health. I'd like to welcome the people, and I'd like to thank our partners who have supported us this far. And for us as our Oasis Health institution, we are committed to ensure that we give the best services to our customers. Thank you.
Many times, we don't think of mental health as an integral part of our health. In fact, even WHO for many years from its formation never recognized that. It was the recognition of mental health as part of health came in much later, many years after the foundation or the founding of World Health Organization. It has been in the shadows, and a lot of the times we hide the patients. We do not want them to be seen, and so this is quite a brave move when an institution comes up and we put up a rehabilitation and mental health center which is open, which is visible, because it is important that mental health as an entity should be visible. It should be removed from the shadows, because as long as we keep mental health in the shadows, we will not even have health as a whole, because right now it is recognized that health cannot exclude mental health.